This is the week 3 discussion of how-to functions. So what is a function? A function is each possible input value leads to exactly one output value. The input would be considered your domain. The output would be considered the range. And a function is read as f of a, and parentheses indicates your function input. We're going to evaluate given function for f of -3, f of 2, and f of -a. For the function f of x equals 6x minus 1 over 5x plus 2. So the first one, we are going to evaluate given function for f of -3, and we are going to input -3 as your input value. So f of -3 equals 6 times -3 minus 1 over 5 times -3 plus 2. And we'll simplify that. So f of -3 equals -18 minus 1 over -15 plus 2, and simplify that. We get f of -3 equals -19 over -13. Okay, the second one, we're going to evaluate the given function for f of 2. So f of 2 equals 6 times 2 minus 1 over 5 times 2 plus 2. Simplify that. So f of 2 equals 12 minus 1 over 10 plus 2, and to simplify that even further, we get f of 2 equals 11 over 12. And for your final function, evaluate given function for f of -a. We're going to substitute -a as your input. So f of -a equals 6 times -a minus 1 over 5 times -a plus 2. So f of -a equals -6a minus 1 over -5a plus 2, and that is as far as you can simplify that one. Thank you.